Hi everyone and welcome back to another episode of Wisdom Bite. I'm Fatima Nasar and today I'll be talking about the psychology of criticism. Now, what is criticism? In simple terms, we can say it is the act of finding fault in someone else's work or evaluating someone else's work and finding fault in them. Why do we really criticize each other? It can be in both negative and positive aspect. Negative aspects such as out of frustration or due to expectation, or you're insecure, or you want to feel superior, or you're raised in such an environment where receiving criticism is not really a bad thing and it was really common. Positive aspects such as concern, or maybe you want to help each other out. Maybe you excel in such a field, or maybe you have more knowledge and experience in something, so you simply want to help each other out. Now, how do our brain handle criticism? So, it triggers our brain, and whenever we get criticism, it acts as a threat and it releases stress hormones such as cortisols. In the other way, it also activates the amygdala. Amygdala is a part of our brain which is responsible for giving out emotions such as anger or fear. And it brings our self-esteem down, and also some take it as a motivation, others as a demotive. And whoever take it as a motivation, they analyze whatever the other person has criticized, they analyze themselves, and if they feel it is valid, and they make changes accordingly. Others who take it as a demotivation, they will be stressed about it and worrying about it the whole time. So it is totally up to us how do we handle criticism. Now, what are the types of criticism? It can be mostly divided into four, that is constructive, then destructive, then self-criticism and societal criticism. So, if we're talking about the constructive criticism, it is really based on to help each other out. It is more specific and it is simply to help each other out. Destructive criticism, as the name suggests, it acts as a personal attack. It is more hatred speech, and it's something that is not coming from a good place. Then, self-criticism is when you have internal judgment about yourself or something that you're doing, and it's actually mostly in the positive aspect because it helps to analyze ourselves and our work and give out the best results. Then the last one, social criticism, it is a critique that is in the society, that is a societal norm or a behavior, or it is a societal system. Next, how do we handle criticism? First, listen to whatever they're saying without reacting. Ask yourself whether whatever they're saying is true, whether whatever they have said has anything with the reality. Next, filter the message, ask whether it is true or not, and make changes accordingly. Separate self from the action. Do not take it personally. Try to think for a moment and react accordingly. Ask for clarification. Ask whatever they have criticized. You can ask them to be more specific so you can make changes accordingly. Next, healthy attitude towards criticism. Open mindset. Whatever they are taking, whatever they have criticized, take it openly and make changes required. Others, take it as a confidence plus humility. Be confident in whatever you are saying or whatever you are doing, but be humble. Next, growth plus oriented thinking. Try whatever you have received, try to grow through that. That is all for today. Hope it was helpful. Thank you.